Hello dear students, today I am going to teach you the chapter Second World War. After the First World War, people actually relieved, but when world again plunged into the Second World War, which was more destructive, and millions of people lost their lives and billions of dollars spent actually during the Second World War. The failure of the League of Nations once proved that totally failed, because to maintain world peace and security and to stop the another major war, that is the Second World War. The Second World War fought 1939 lasted till 1945. Your syllabus clearly mentioned the causes of the Second World War. The first cause of the Second World War was dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles, it was Germany forced to sign after the First World War. According to the Treaty of Versailles, Germans were treated very badly. Germans were betrayed. All territories of Germans taken away from her. For example, Alsace-Lorraine returned back to France, Eupen-Malmedy to Belgium, Posen, West Prussia to Poland, Danzig became free city. The Saar coal mine given to France for 15 years. And not only that, to maintain law and order, German soldiers also reduced 1 lakh. She was not allowed to, her air force totally banned. Her river, Rhine, it was militarized area, totally demilitarized. And on top of that, she had to pay huge amount of money as reparation money to the victors. That also fixed by the victors, $33 billion for the damages of the First World War. Total money Germany had allowed to she had to pay to the victors. Now here you try to understand the proud Germans, it was very difficult for them to accept such a humiliating treaty. So they clearly mentioned that we were betrayed according to Treaty of Versailles, and that resulted for rise of Hitler as a dictator, and his aggressive design resulted for the Second World War. If we discuss Italy not part of the as a defeated country. Italy, she was the victor, as a part of the victor after the First World War. But why in Italy dictatorship, rise of dictatorship led to the Second World War? Now try to understand. Italy, at the beginning, when world divided into two superpower blocks, formation of the alliances, Italy joined with Germany and Austria-Hungary. But she immediately left this group in 1915 according to the Secret Treaty of London, and she joined with Britain and France, because Britain promised her after the First World War, if she became victor, she would get the number of territories. But what happened? After the First World War, according to Treaty of Versailles, Italy nothing gained. Her long-time desire to get Fiume, the area, Italy-speaking area, that also given to her enemy Yugoslavs. But if you look at to take part in the First World War, to fight side to side at the side of the Britain, France and Russia, she lost 7 lakh soldiers, Italian soldiers. Her currency lira totally declined. Trade and commerce ruined. The riots started in Italy. So this all odd situation resulted to bring forward Mussolini into power. That is, especially rise of dictatorship led to the Second World War. So you have to write clearly how dissatisfaction of Treaty of Versailles led to the Second World War. So this point actually interlinked with the rise of Nazism and fascism in Germany and Italy respectively. So you have to study very clearly how German betrayed according to the Treaty of Versailles and how Italy cheated according to the Treaty of Versailles, that resulted to bring forward Hitler and Mussolini as a dictators, and their imperialistic design, expansionist policy, aggressive design resulted for the Second World. Now coming to the next point, failure of the League of Nations. League of Nations completely failed to maintain world peace and security. If there is no Second World War, you can say League successful. But when again Second World War began 1939, when Poland attacked by Germany, it once proved that League of Nations totally failed. League failed to actually when Japan attacked Manchuria in 1931. League failed to combat, especially when Italy attacked Abyssinia in 1935. That is why Hitler took far more very important step to attack Austria and Czechoslovakia, and finally Poland. Second World War started. So here very clearly you have to mention that how League of Nations failed. You have to give one example, because when Japan attacked Manchuria, League failed, and when Italy attacked Abyssinia, League again failed. So that failure of League of Nations resulted for the Second World War. Now the third one, Japanese attack on Manchuria. Manchuria, it is Chinese province. 1931, Japan attacked Chinese province Manchuria. Actually what she said Japan spent huge amount of money for the construction of Manchurian railway. That is why she wanted to attack Manchuria. But when she attacked Manchuria, Japan attacked Manchuria, China appealed to League of Nations to take action against Japan. So what happened? League condemned Japanese attack, but only put pressure, that is the economic sanction. That is only one left in the hands of the League of Nations, because Britain and France, they are the main important power of the League of Nations. They did not like to take any strong action against Japanese. So therefore, he had proved that especially League of Nations once again failure, and that resulted for especially furthermore step to taken by the Hitler. He was pampered, and then he attacked Austria 1938, even he attacked Czechoslovakia, even when he attacked Poland, so Second World War started. So this point you have to mark, this is you have to turn that point, how Japanese attack of Manchuria resulted for the Second World War, because the point again coming to the failure of the League of Nations. Now the last point try to understand, that is the immediate cause of the Second World War, that attack on Poland, Hitler's attack on Poland. Now according to Treaty of Versailles, when we discuss the First World War, we have come to know that Poland, what happened actually with Poland. Polish corridor was created and Danzig became free city. Danzig, it is a German speaking area. So Hitler demanding Danzig, and Danzig corridor means Polish corridor, which connected all railway, canals and roads between East Prussia and rest of the Germany. It is very important for German, for communication, her communication. So when Hitler asking from Polish government, Poland denied. Poland refused Hitler demand. When Poland refused Hitler demand, Hitler calculatively actually signed 10 years non-aggression pact with Russia. Why? Because he already calculated to attack Poland. So why he signed 10 years non-aggression pact? Because when he decided to attack Poland, it proved Russia's neutrality. Russia won't, Poland won't receive any help from Russia. Therefore, what happened? Actually, these 10 years non-aggression pact, Britain and France, if they wanted to save Poland, they should actually sign with Russia before Hitler signed 10 years non-aggression pact. They are delayed, too late. And it was secretly signed, it was decided between Russia and Germany. Poland must be divided into two, and the 50% portion Poland must be occupied by Russia and other 50% by Germany. It was happened. After Poland attacked Eastern Poland, Russian received, like Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, all received by Russia. So therefore, when Hitler attacked Nazi troops proceeds towards Poland 1st September 1939, Second World War began, because 3rd September Britain and France declared war against Germany. A full-scale war started. So this chapter, dear student, you have to study only causes. Syllabus mentioned there is no consequences from Second World War, only causes. That also number 1, dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles, which led to the Second World War. Second point, that is a rise of fascism, Nazism, which interlinked with the dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles. Third one, failure of the League of Nations. Fourth one, Japanese attack on Manchuria 1931. And the last one, immediate cause, that is the attack on Poland by Hitler. These all for your syllabus, Second World War. Study well. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much.